Well, IMW 2019, which is actually the 17th International Myeloma Workshop, is going to be a very, very exciting meeting in Boston. We're expecting over 3,000 attendees to come. What's really exciting about this meeting is we have 136 invited faculty. And despite that, actually, almost half the program will be coming from invited speakers based on their abstract submission. And so for this reason, we encourage our entire community of hematologists, and particularly those that have an interest in the plasma cell dyscrasias, to please come. There'll be a lot of new and exciting information, both presented by invited faculty, but also because the abstract selection is quite different this year, because we're inviting a lot of the meeting to be actually presented by invited abstracts. We have a very wide presentations on basic science, translational science, as well as clinical science. We expect to be seeing some large trials breaking at the meeting. So this is going to be a very different IMW, and we're inviting all our community out there, hematologists, oncologists, to please come and be part of this experience.